Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the tradersperspective.com. Taking a look here at the Nasdaq. I did a video on this a few days ago, and what I was pointing out was that it looks like the markets are beginning to roll over. I'll jump to the weekly in a second just to kind of give you a refresher if you watched last week, and also if you're new, you'll understand what the hell I'm talking about. So you can see here that we've been putting in these lower highs and that the sell pressure is getting quite aggressive. Now, I did want to point out something, jumping to the weekly, as I was just saying. We had this uptrend line here that we were maintaining. It was a quite aggressive trend line, so it's not surprising that we eventually did break below. So for right now, that's the first sell indicator. Second is going to come when my moving averages finally cross. But even on the daily time frame, if I was to go back real quick, well, they already did cross. So once this break here is confirmed, then we'll be obviously looking to continue going short. Loaded up on some VIX today into the close, and things just kind of worked out after hours, so that's nice. But looking at this 4-hour time frame, you're now between this 50 period and the 200 simple moving averages. So if this trend line does fully break below, or if we do fully break below this trend line and this 200, then the next levels to basically look for are going to be, well, pretty far low. So let's start with a conservative level, assuming that it's not all out chaotic sell off. So obviously step one is going to be looking at the 6178 or 6178 level, and so on and so forth. You just kind of stair step your way down to these support levels. So assuming that it's not a complete emotional sell-off where everybody's fearful that the end of the world is coming, we have a nice gap down here coinciding with this 200. So there's a couple support levels here between present levels around the 6280 level, and then we're dropping down to 6178 and 6079. So it's significant drops after that level. So for right now, that's kind of what I'm seeing. I'm doing this video because I see opportunity for some of you to take some positions, whether they be intraday or swing. But the next level for support, as far as the next weekly uptrend line here, is actually even below this level here that I was just referencing. So you can see that that's the 50 period simple moving average, and that's going to coincide with around 5,800 or so. So those are the levels to watch for. There's a lot of opportunity, a lot of money to be made here, and if you just look, the 50% of this FIBO level here is going to coincide with roughly this 50 period simple moving average and this 5,800 level. So quite a bit of ways to fall. Could be a nice little opportunity to take some money off the table if you haven't already, and also bank some money on the way down, as I always like to say. So that's what I'm seeing. I see lower closes, lower highs on these weekly candles. So it looks like we may actually have a market top in. So trade accordingly, manage your positions, use your stop losses. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation of the tradersperspective.com. Stop by on Saturday or so. I will be providing my weekend edition of my bi-weekly video updates. So don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel. Visit the website if you want further information. Thanks again for watching.